Good morning, children. This is the lecture of moral science for class 9, and today we are going to start the chapter number 8, lesson 8, and the name of the lesson is Say No to Addiction. As you can see, say no to addiction. So before starting the chapter, children, we are going to read a story, and this is a story about one student. So in this story, Arun was a student of famous engineering college. So as he is the student of famous engineering college, he was the second topper in the entrance examination. Arun was loved equally by the teacher and the students. The senior student in the college became very friendly with him. Arun used to go with them anywhere. At times, when they went out of the hostel for sightseeing, sometime ever for a short picnic, every time Arun was going with them because he is a good student, and everyone was very friendly with him. And whenever they are going somewhere, they are also taking Arun with them. So whether they are going for a picnic, whether they are going for a sightseeing, Arun is going along with them. So one evening, when they were all together in the park, one of their friend came with the bottle of a liquor. Okay, at first Arun refused. Okay, so when he refused, they were called him to drink with them. But as the day passed, when the compulsion means they are forcing Arun to take that liquor. You can see in the picture, liquor is there, bottle, glasses are with them. So they were forcing Arun to take that liquor. So first he has refused, but every day they were compelling him. So he was also in the habit of taking it. So Arun too started drinking. It was much reluctant and difficulty. He drank it first. Okay, so reluctant means he was not able to drink it. It was very difficult for him to drink it, but again he has taken it, and gradually he has become a slave of this bad habit. Evil means bad habit. So he began to lose his interest in the study. His parents always sent money for the fee on time, toiling so hard and sometimes even borrowing from others because his parents were not very rich. So sometimes they borrow the money and they are sending the money for their child, for the fee of their child. But it is used to squander the whole sum of money to enjoy with his friends. Together with drinking, they experimented with taking drugs too. First they were taking only liquors, and after that they were in the habit of taking drugs too. Slowly and slowly they become addicted to both drinks and drugs. They absolutely failed to focus on their studies. Their appearance became unpleasant and their behavior got strange. They started to keep themselves aloof from others. They did not even go to home, instead staying in the hostel itself during the holidays, having no courage to face the family members because they were in the bad habit, and their body structure, their behavior, and their face, everything has some changes. So they were not in the habit, they were not able to face their parents, they were not able to got that courage to face their parent. So one day Dr. Priyank, Arun's uncle, came to the hostel to meet him. When he shocked to find Arun in such a miserable state. Arun too got shocked, and knowing what to say, uncle could understand everything at a big sight. When uncle has came to meet him, because he is a doctor, uncle is a doctor, so he has understood everything within a second. So, since it was evening in the drunk dependence treatment center, uncle took Arun to the nearest beach. Okay, because he is a doctor, so he knows how to treat him. So what he has done, he has taken first Arun to the nearest beach. Arun sat with a head bent, unable even to look at the face of his uncle, breaking the grave silence. Then uncle asked him, "My dear Arun, what happened? What happened? Okay, to you, Arun, how did you become like this?" He continued, "Your father, mother, sister are waiting for you for lots of expectation, dreaming of successful career. They send the money to you regularly, bearing such big burden they are not even capable of." Arun bursted into tears. He was crying a lot. And tearful eyes, he said, "Uncle, I am wrong. I want to get out of it, but I feel so helpless." Patting means on his back. He was just patting him gently and said, "My son, I have understood all what has happened to you. Many young boys like you came to the hospital every day. Most of them fall into this kind of habit influenced by bad company. At the beginning, one start a little smoking or drinking, and later they become addicted to all sorts of drinks and drugs." So Arun kept mum with a deep sigh. "Uncle, once a person becomes addicted to these substances, it is quite difficult to get rid of them, because each time when we use these substances, they affect our brain. And addicted to be treated as a patient, the person becomes often obsessive or even aggressive if not taken on time." Means the person got the habit of taking it, and if the person is not getting, if he is an addicted person and the person is not getting that drugs on time, so he become very aggressive. So Arun said, "Uncle, will I not be able to give it up?" Uncle said, "Don't be upset, child, for with God everything is possible. There is an effective treatment available now, but first first of all, you must understand well its evil effect," means the bad effect. "Otherwise, you may pick up with the habit again." Arun, do you know the consequences, means the effect of being addicted to drugs and the beverages means whatever the drinking things are available? Arun said, "No, uncle." Then intoxicated drinks and drunks destroy our status and health. So what is the first effect? That intoxicated drinks and drugs destroy our status. Okay, the first thing is that intoxicated drugs and drinks, they destroy our health. So this is the first bad effect of drugs. It disturbs the inner peace, and the person loses all the possibility to learn well, get a good job, and reach greater heights. No one pays respect to that person in the society. He may become laughing stock before everyone. The family never enjoys financial security. Continued use of drug and alcohol affect the function of the brain, and it hampers the ability to study, to take decisions, and weaken the memory behavior pattern. So uncle has explained all these ill effect, bad effect, evil effect of drugs to Arun. Arun said, "Sorry, uncle." Then, "Uncle, why didn't you tell me beforehand? I never had thought you, being so bright at studies, will ever fall into such kind of things. Have you got learnt about these things?" Arun said, "I did not think of these consequences at that time," means the bad effects on the body at that time. Uncle said, this is our problem. Even if we have seen or heard about the experiences of many such people, we never try to learn from them. They all fall into same pit. Uncle said that it is the problem with us also, because we all know this type of problems happen, but we are not telling, we are not spreading awareness to the people that the persons should not be addicted of alcohols or drugs. "Uncle, what shall I do now?" Uncle said, You alone can save yourself. Means you alone can save yourself. Parents and teachers can help and guide you. If you are ready to take strong decisions, you can save yourself. Medicines can also will help you to recover. In fact, you are fortunate. Fortunate means lucky. You realize the danger of right at the beginning. You terrible it is to see young boys you suffering intensely means badly from fear and fatigue, shivering and stomach ache in the beginning, and later dying inch by several incurable disease. So, sometime turn out those type of children sometime they turn out to be like criminals because they don't have anyone which they can discuss the things. Now Arun said, uncle, I feel frightened. That he was very frightened means डरा हुआ था वो. Uncle, being so frightened you will not help you in any ways. And uncle said, frightness will not help you in any way. You have to understand the realities. You behave like a mad person when these toxic substances go into the body in the form of drink, drug or injections. You may do anything to get it. You may steal, you may kill kind of terrible crimes. This is such a dreadful and dangerous thing. It will blow away thinking in the wind and rules and idols and manners. Oh, how pathetic it is. So, very important paragraph, children. So, it happens during the teenage. So, the children, they like substances, beverages like drugs, but it should not be good. It is not at all good. Now uncle Arun said, yes, I am getting you, uncle. Now Arun is ready to understand. Uncle, you must understand one more thing. Today students are most vulnerable and targeted group of drug laborers. Means the drug gangs. So what they do, they give the drugs to the teenagers because at that time they are in their growing stage, and then they reaches to their school, reaches to different places, and they give the drugs to those people. So maximum the students they are targeted. Then Arun asks, how can they enter the school? They have got agents who have the uniform of all the school in the hand. Even police and government fail so miserably to find out the secret of hidden agendas of these groups. There are even clever students agents who fill the tiffin box with the drugs and sell them it among the students after throwing away the food in the tiffin box. Arun said, how bad is this, uncle? Now I will ask to the principal to give you a short leave. You will have your treatment in the clinic. Thank you, uncle. I will come. Today there are traps everywhere. The innocent children are led astray by the poster and advertisement which display of liquor, tobacco, cigarettes and such other material by some celebrities. Today world is in fact under the spell of so many evils. So after that Arun has went with his doctor. Uncle sent Charvara foresaw these dangers 2 centuries before. In this testament, he says, drunkenness is disgraceful before the world and sinful before God. Uncle, I have firmly decided to get out from this world of ruin and disasters. Means where unhappiness is there, destruction is there. Arun, you can do one more thing. You can also show the leadership skill in saving the young ones. So uncle was just encouraging him that after getting rid of all these habits, you can also save